So you're touring with this new CD?
Yes.
You are?
Yeah. I'm laughing, so I'm crying.
Well, that's okay. You're cute when you laugh. At least you're speaking. Last time you just giggled.
Oh, really? Okay.
You know what? Kevin Clash, a friend of Elmo's, told me that when you were on Sesame Street, you couldn't even finish the song because you were laughing too much.
It's true. They were making me laugh a lot.
What happened there?
Well, we were playing the song, and I just turned with my guitar, and I hit Elmo in the eye. And then I said I was sorry. I apologized, you know. And then I realized I was talking to a little Muppet. So,
And that was it?
yeah.
You couldn't even finish, right?
I couldn't finish the song.
Oh, Tracy. Oh, you going to the Grammys? No?
No,
Oh, because
no.
I'm going. I want to hang out with you.
Well,
Come on. Come backstage and just make me laugh during the commercials. When I'm bored, we'll make fun of everyone's outfit. Telling Stories is the new CD. You're a delight, Tracy Chapman. Thank you for being here. We'll be right back after this break. Don't go away.